9 out of 10 car owners don't even know these simple car hacks exist. But here's the shocking truth. Just one of these hacks could save you hundreds, maybe even thousands of dollars in repairs. And the best part? You can do these yourself right now without spending a dime on a mechanic. Before you hand over your cash, here are 10 genius car hacks that save you big money. Stick around until the end because the last one will truly blow your mind. Let's dive in. Hack number 10. Apple for windshield clarity. You're cruising down the highway and suddenly your windshield looks foggy. Wipers just smear the grime instead of clearing it. Most people grab expensive $15 glass cleaners, but here's a secret. A simple apple works even better. Cut an apple in half and rub the cut side across the windshield. The malic acid creates a lotus effect that repels water and loosens dirt. Apples cost less than $1 and outperform pricey cleaners. Professional windshield cleaning, $15 to $30 every time. One apple just saved you $30. Quick, easy, and a total game changer. Hack number 9. Toothpaste for paint scratches. You spot a fresh scratch on your car door in the parking lot. Heart sinks, right? Body shops charge $75 to $150 per scratch. Here's a trick they don't tell you. Whitening toothpaste removes light scratches. The mild abrasives polish away superficial marks. Wash and dry the scratched area, apply toothpaste, rub in circular motions for 30 to 60 seconds, and wipe with a damp cloth. A $3 tube just saved you $150. Quick, easy, and a total game changer. Hack number 8. Nail polish for paint chips. The ping of a rock hits your hood. A small chip exposes bare metal. Rust will spread if left untreated, turning a $2 fix into a $200 headache. Clear nail polish acts as a sealant, preventing air and moisture from causing rust. For color-matched chips, pick nail polish close to your car's paint. Dab carefully and let dry. Clear nail polish costs $2. A pro touch-up can run $50 to $200. 5 minutes of work just stopped a major problem. Hack number 7. WD-40 for squeaky door hinges. You get out of your car and your door squeaks embarrassingly. Most people ignore it, but squeaky hinges indicate wear. Spray WD-40 directly onto the hinges while opening and closing the door several times. Works on hood, trunk, and any metal hinge. One can costs about $6 and has hundreds of uses. Replacing worn hinges, $100 to $300 per door. 5 minutes of spraying just saved you hundreds. Hack number 5. Olive oil for dashboard shine. Your dashboard looks dull, cracked, and sun-faded. Expensive sprays promise to restore shine, but here's the trick. Olive oil works better and costs way less. Apply a quarter-size drop to a cloth and rub in circular motions. Natural oils restore moisture stripped by UV rays. Olive oil costs $5 and lasts a year. Sprays cost $10 to $15 monthly and barely last a week. Bonus, you can still cook with it. A win-win. Hack number 4. Paintbrush for car vents. Car air vents are packed with dust and debris. Narrow slats make it impossible to clean with cloths. A $2 craft store paintbrush transforms them from filthy to spotless. Soft bristles reach all the tight spots without scratching. Works on vents, dashboard buttons, gear shift, radio controls. Old makeup brushes work too, making this hack free. Professional vent detailing, $150. Just saved yourself $150 in minutes. Hack number 5. Slime for interior cleaning. Crumbs, coins, and dust hide in every crack of your console and dashboard. Vacuum attachments or Q-tips can't reach. The solution, Kids Play Slime. Press slime into tight spots around buttons, vents, gear shift, and console. It grabs dirt instantly. Buy car cleaning slime for $8 to $10, or make your own with glue, baking soda, and contact solution for $2. Reusable until dirty. Professional cleaning, $150. Less than $10 and oddly satisfying. A complete win. Hack number 3. Vaseline for door seals. Cold winter morning, your door is frozen. You yank, hear a crack, and realize the rubber seal tore. Repair, $100 to $300 per door. Apply a thin coat of Vaseline every few months. It keeps rubber flexible, prevents cracks and tears, and stops doors from freezing. Wipe along all door, trunk, and hood seals. A $3 jar lasts years. 5 minutes twice a year just saved you hundreds. Hack number 2. Hand sanitizer for frozen locks. It's freezing and your car lock is frozen solid. Forcing the key could break it, costing $150 to $300 for a locksmith. A small squirt of hand sanitizer melts ice almost instantly. Alcohol evaporates quickly, leaving no residue. Keep a travel-size bottle handy. Works on key blades and keyholes. Plain rubbing alcohol works too. 5 seconds, almost no cost, potentially $300 saved. Hack number 1. Newspaper to remove stickers. Old registration stickers stuck on your windshield. Scraping risks scratches. Here's a better method. Soak old newspaper in water, place over sticker for 15 minutes. Moisture softens the adhesive. Peel the paper and the sticker comes off cleanly. Works on bumper stickers, window decals, any adhesive. Repeat if necessary. Old newspaper is free. Even buying one costs $2. Professional removal, $20 to $40. 15 minutes and zero risk. These 10 hacks save $50 to $300 each, costing $0 to $10, giving you a return on investment of 1,000%. Before visiting a mechanic, try these first. Your wallet will thank you. If this video helped you save money or inspired DIY car maintenance, hit subscribe for more. Share with friends and family wasting money on unnecessary repairs. Car maintenance doesn't require expensive shops, just knowledge, creativity, and household items. Now you have all three. Thank you for watching, and good luck with your car hacks.